Hello friends, welcome to our another video. In this video I will show you Mercusys MW325R router full configuration. Let's begin.
Now first plug in your router power cable, then plug in your internet cable to the WAN or internet port. You can complete your setup by using your mobile phone, PC or laptop. Now first open a new web browser on your device. Now type mwlogin.net in the address bar. For your convenience, I will give this link in my description box. If you want, you can collect it from there. Now here create an administrator password to manage your router. Then click on next arrow. Now here select pppoe option. Then here type the username and password that your ISP company gave you. Now here type the network name, SSID and password on wireless option. Then click on next. Now click on save. Now wait until the finishing saving. Now click on finish. So friends, we have completed our setup successfully. Now we can browse the internet. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.